In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create collapsible sections in Obsidian. Open the Obsidian app to get started. Once the app is open, go to the top left corner and click the new note icon. A fresh note will appear. Give this note the title, Collapsible Sections Demo. Say the title as you type it so it lines up naturally on screen, collapsible, then sections, then demo. Now move into the body of the note and place your cursor on the first line. Here, you're going to create a collapsed callout. Type this exactly, greater than, space, open bracket, exclamation mark, note, close bracket, hyphen, space. Project details. As spoken text, that line reads as greater than, space, open bracket, exclamation mark, note, close bracket, hyphen, project details. This creates a note-style callout that starts in a collapsed state. Press Enter once to move to the next line inside that callout. Then type the content for the section. Enter this sentence exactly. This section contains project status, deadlines, and team assignments. Read it at a natural pace as it appears. This section contains project status, then deadlines and team assignments. Press Enter twice. Those two line breaks take you out of the callout block so you can continue working below it. In Live Preview, look for the small triangle icon attached to that callout. Click the triangle to test the section. You'll see it expand and collapse, which confirms that the callout is working as a collapsible section. On the next new line, create another callout, this time one that starts expanded. Type this exactly, greater than, space, open bracket, exclamation mark, tip, close bracket, plus, space. Helpful tip. The plus symbol is what keeps this one expanded by default, while still making it collapsible. Press Enter to go inside that callout. Then type the tip text exactly as provided. You can use any callout type, note, tip, warning, info, and more. As you enter it, paste the words clearly. You can use any callout type, note, tip, warning, info, and more. Next, add a heading. On a new line, type 2 number signs, then a space, then meeting notes. That creates a level 2 heading named meeting notes. Press Enter and type a few lines of content beneath it. Add line 1, then press Enter. Add line 2, then press Enter. Add line 3 beneath it so there is enough content inside the section to fold. Now move your cursor over the meeting notes heading. When you hover to the left of the heading, a fold arrow will appear. Click that arrow to collapse the entire heading section. This hides everything under the heading until you click it again. Next, create a list with sub-items. Start by typing the parent item exactly as shown, hyphen, space, shopping list. Press Enter to go to the next line. Then create the indented items underneath it. Type hyphen, space, apples. Press Enter. Type hyphen, space, bread. Press Enter. Type hyphen, space, milk. To make these sub-items belong under shopping list, tab each one so they are indented beneath the parent item. Once the list is in place, hover over the parent item, shopping list. A fold arrow will appear to the left of that parent line. Click the arrow to collapse the indented list. That hides the sub-items while keeping the main list title visible. Now open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+P. In the search field that appears, type fold. As the command results show up, select Fold All Headings and Lists. This will collapse every heading section and list in the note at the same time, so you can see how Obsidian handles folding across the whole page. Open the command palette again with Ctrl+P. This time, type Unfold. From the results, select Unfold All Headings and Lists. That restores the full view of your note and shows all of your callouts, headings, and lists again. Once done, you will see it under your account. At this point, you've created collapsible sections in Obsidian using callouts, folded headings, nested lists, and the command palette controls for folding and unfolding the entire note. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You successfully create collapsible sections in Obsidian. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Congratulations!